imaginary story like that and put it out there, just put the name of the person. They are not the same. If PM, for example, said that COS is a very good COS to the government, and I come out on my platform and said that COS is a very good COS or a cabinet member to USB government under Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, and I said PM said so. I just quote what PM said. I did not attack or praise or for hype somebody. This is what PM said. Like now, for example, if CS come out and say that I don't want to use Ogekere group, so you will not say that because I fight. No, let's assume that CS come out and say Kai Report is not a good person. Kai Report is just a pretender. And Biafran Exodus go to his platform and say Kai Report is a pretender and he's not a good person. That's what CS said. Does it mean that Biafran Exodus is showing hate on Kai Report? No, he just reports what CS said. Do you understand it? That's why I look at it. I don't know about other people. But let's continue anyway.
Because in that conversation, Carolina was the one talking. Rama was eating and was nodding her head. Yes, that is how it is. You know, I don't want to go into details to start telling what she was telling Rama. They were gossiping. Now, when I came here, I warned Rama to stay away from Carolina so she don't put her in trouble. I did not stay to listen to what she have to respond to her, how the gossip will go. They were gossiping and gossiping. I came here and I told that Rama warned her. And then after that, she sent the message to me. I didn't open that message because she had been sending messages which I am not responding to. But yesterday...
Hold on, let me get this right. There's something he said here. Let me get this right.
She was telling Rama they were gossiping. Now, when I came here, I warned Rama to stay away from Carolina so she don't put her in trouble. I did not stay to listen to what she have to respond to her, how the gossip will go. They were gossiping and gossiping. I came here and I told that Rama warned her. And then after that, she sent the message to me. I didn't open that message because she had been sending messages which I am not responding to.
Did you do some? Why I take it back because even me when I listened to this message for the first time, I did not pay attention to this part. PM stumbled on their platform, on her platform, where they were gossiping, discussing cabinet members. Then PM, listened to this part of the message and said to check out. Then came back to the cabinet platform, or maybe to another Rama, and told her that stay away from this lady. She's gonna put you in trouble. She's not good for you. Maybe you have, this gossip lifestyle. But having this person beside you will actually intensify your gossiping skill. Stay away from her. After saying that or giving this woman that advice, what happened next? The Carolina, the woman herself, decided to now write to PM. She had been writing to PM all this while. She now sent another message to PM. What does that tell you? Ada went back to her and they gossip again about what PM told Ada. That is why this woman sent the recent message that she sent to PM. And that is the message that PM played, which we are going to play here. Like I said, all of you have watched it. We are here to do the reaction on that. And please, some of you refuse to like the video. I don't know why. We have 157 watching at the moment. Do me a favor, like the video. We have only 70, I think this is 70, just 75 people have liked the video. Get it to 100 while we are still streaming live. Very, very good if you can do that. If you don't see the option to like the video, there's a 3 dot at the top corner of your right hand on your screen. Tap it, you will see option that will enable you or allow you to like the video. That is the only thing I want from you now. Okay, please and please like the video. God bless you as you do so. Now let's go back.
But yesterday, she sent a message to me, which I would like to play so for everybody.